Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ChargePoint RFID on smartphone app for easy start step by step clearly. Open the ChargePoint app on your smartphone. Log in to your ChargePoint account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option labeled RFID authorization. Tap on the RFID authorization option to begin the setup process. You will see prompts guiding you to add your RFID card. Select the option to scan the RFID card. Hold your RFID card close to the NFC reader on your smartphone. Wait for the app to recognize the card. Once recognized, the app will display a confirmation message. If the card is not recognized, try repositioning it and scanning again. After successful recognition, you will be prompted to name your RFID card for easy identification. Enter a name that is easy for you to remember. Confirm the name by tapping Save or Done. Your RFID card is now authorized for use within the app. You can test the authorization by selecting a nearby charge. Follow the prompts to start charging. The app should prompt you to use your authorized RFID card. Confirm that you want to proceed with the charge. You are now ready to start charging with your authorized RFID card using the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.